so and if you are there for your mama chen Adeakye Abia dwumedie na yede ebei me bosome no ne da etoso enkron eno no me bosome da etoso nkron eno no yatena sie se ne mo amunim no free sabre kosi se no nkron no ebebo apemu ena yede dwumedie ebrem no nkron eba papemu ena yede dwumedie ebebrem ebekwakosi na sports team no ababesum ede afri hasei na omososo de agudie mu nsam aba as usual metinam ede mama konto manhene yaw adubo ache kukua akosia somua ya Grace PK bomichidom kokua sante ebo aso pani atenase eno pain komono doso pa eno so si efiada so hu tere to form din na thank God it's Friday fiada ye me tufo so te ase minim say me tufu fiada kora wo mfa na de aye adwuma nti me no me ha me ho me nse madaje na ma betu ufu fiada so hu adwada o man hene ba na kese o de afutuo no atwa so nti me metie de enhwe manim kora se me betu ufu ne na me ntufo ne kese uniama na wo ye no na me be for so se koso ne ye de yere wa ne ye so hu Monday ye wia ye ne Friday Saturday Sunday ye koda nyame ase Sunday ye badwada na for man hina betu yefo na ye de afutuo na ye adwuma kosi Thursday Friday ni asate asim bien tuyefo ne namusa abisa for ye mo bonsam ne so 120 days of President John Dramani Mahama Memwo MPP for chese wonye hu ena Ghana for bonabaso oba ya manfo no wayi o madie ena chese ne ma okeka ye nyina no wo de ato ba bi a ompe ho asem enka Alexander Fenyoma kene ye minority leader
okacha Ghana for no kori ni usande ba wo se Ghana for yo ne wo residu wo be nkofa wo ye dwuma wo ya bene dwuma wasako Ghana yewom sesi anu nwe kreti Ghana bi ekura oye won se na kura was attacked bi no ebio dumso asana bebio yanti energy minister nanka ombaka ho hwenkyere oman no ebio galamse anwan kasa waka ho asemi pi wasi wana bredo no wabama galamse akofo nde baze ne yehu TUC painful oye May Day workers day TUC full catalog one kasa ye show when there embrika kreya NDC ba bemi galamse numpo akodo chenza wobebotwe.
And we the MP for a Futu minority leader, Honorable Alexander Fenyoma Kenena Yetene Kanunti on the D NPP party nanim Emma Enro Maye Sansem Chefun Shemui at the 120 days of President John Dramani Mahama Memwo Senior MPP for Sihuno etu ye name say 120 days of broken promises, 120 days of joblessness, 120 days gravely NDC amanyuku na NDC aban no off track we MPP senior musi ehu mampeni John Dramani Mahama Memwo first 120 days na mamenko amano so na mene the national organizer of the ruling party NDC Honorable Joseph Yamin enkodi enkomo emfa NPP assessment ho Yamin, good morning.
Good morning.
Now who ye?
Oh, Nyame ashai.
Yeda erade ase. Now we come see ana.
Eh, inia. Afidie isi na obutam baby amenam.
Sebia, eja u kumasi eja matwafa ho.
Uponsu na ni edim komo.
Mate. Utie enra NPP amanyoko no omo assessment of President John Dramani Mahama na Memwo 120 days, first 120 days. Eniema why yes any omo sigo no. Utie also a response to NPP. Ene Honorable Alexander Fenyoma kenene say.
Well, mini amedasi. Menchia wahefo itu NDC for or more 8 years. Anyame nwanwa say minority no on a press conference. I will the 100-day BNBC. Again, when him say an opportunity for Nathaniel Markins to be marketing himself into Assembia or Pessoa Kami. And yeah, Assembia also near because Assembia it only exposes you.
Hello. Yamin wo. Oh, abusafo you better try near the national organizer bio do baby na ne kasa no yente ne papa you better try na yenya the national organizer of the ruling party NDC Joseph Yamin bio. Yamin na edu baby na kasa no scratches bi abaso o se anya onwa afenyo market say take your opportunity e dia marketing ho asem bi opeso okabi.
That's right. And the kasa no mu no eh normal obi a o ton no ho de asem na mfa no ho kra ba be kan bi
o ton no ho apede ai
ano de bre no so amugo.
Okay.
And this ansem bi ni ho ani kwan se o kan asem bi ho no mo a o kan o expose wo.
The no kan ya or the expose no.
The NDC assign a social contract with Ghana. So within 120 days, ya buy no money be ya nneoma bi. Sa nneoma no. Eno ho asem na ye say 120 days no. Watimi aye and I won't mean ye. A mudu sen na waye. A mudu sen na untimin ye. Near waye no. A yes sen. Near untimin ye, and also Sue said, dear Tina untimin ye day. And ye. And no the anka canasa nama tuasi. Within the 120-day contract of the NDC, you see a bef ye friend of Mahama Care Fund, what is that? And now I know what I say. President Mahama had devoted to a 4-month salary at the Amasa Fund. Yesterday, the Vice President on also allocating a 4-month salary for Safan. Safan, no name the air, Mahama Keb. Ye both for toward the alcohol. Now, or more chronic diseases. A very difficult to treat, and most at times, not a chink or more or moonfie aquanim kakra. For instance, BP, diabetes, kidney, man treatment heading. Unya bia sometimes no cost I could see branya maybe tun inside the afro. A hoon runs so heading. And to a view of what and cap unya nrunwa or better say a checkatra. But onya sikan tun runia dingin. Ubon se nebrea odiwa asase no na shorten. Ti Mahama said baby. Me ba omo anyame mfasa ma ombenya saa ade ni bibia no. Uwo bipia. Odia ne se obekọ hospital minduru asa. E ho se ma unru ni bi nti e bo foto ode ato. Me ba cho ya bo. Ya se emrantie ne mbaba wa omo po bet omo dispose echi omo ni di echire pa footballers ne ade no omo gi omo pay free club owners supporters ye gi ye pay free me team ni be hye enhye player we be hye time say otimi ka na eba mu a na ono nso anya ne pay a eden afiro aban yi de foto abeto so mrantie ne mmabaawa a omo di saa agoro no omo so omo mpe so mahama ne na aban se eba me ye afiro within 120 days mpacho ye nyimvrio
we ye afiro
o ye sika ne ate no levy mahama se me ba within 120 days me ye afiro this and many more. Nya fi na me be kan baako because nra you outline all these things there. But Safanyo Markins gina ho no say 120 days here a yaudie a unemployment a whatever. I just say no need be aka just that he only wanted to speak. So if he wanted to speak to the 120 days promises, Kobefano one after the other. No, we are wakase omo kan say and neoma 10 we no mobeye. Make kan ye no omo ye mu 2 nti omo antimi anya hwe. Me pa choti. Name ye minister. Under Mahama administration. So afanyo Markins say ebre we ebre amanfo ho kire omo amanfo ye hunahuna nkrofo a we a minister we are entitled to a diplomatic passport we free aban a so do diplomatic passport in there and now me no say MPP for over 200 people are still holding their diplomatic passports and transacting business with it.
That is a former appointees in B over 200.
Yes, over 200.
Eda sukuto more diplomatic passport and the transactions.
Right. 4 months in ye. Abraya catcher almost a month famra. Yen ya by now you so force. It do baby I sometimes yen so a yan but when I was say ya by any different from Omodiano. Wouldn't be in 3 years. So 4 months MPP for the only diplomatic passport D a year Juma or Yamamura. Abraya catcher almost a month famra. Because me MPP Bedia Kunya, Braya swear in Akufuado on the 7th of January. They gave us 7 days.
Akufuado Mamo says 7 days, so be
7 days. Be a diplomatic passport in your day. 7 days in a year, I'm a country. We are in an era of a year, huna or whatever. Oh, crap passport no for 4 months. You still travel with it through the diplomatic means. Afanyo Markins. Kasa na yene ombreno wa kasantina wakaza gazabiana.
Osi dumso asaba kani ani dum dodo.
Dumso no ne wo kwanza na yeba. Yeah, one of the reasons I Ghana for to about MPP was dumso unyawe. So I am Mahama na ba na dumso aba. Sa dumso na ewo honintin na Fanyo Markins mu say yanko crack containers ewo electrical nyoma in near famra near san nyoma because they believe that a part of the reasons in TI experiences dumso. The Mahama ba na dumso aeden haba. The MPP themselves are Fanyo Markins, a board chairman. Under his watch, containers bianya atabanya 2 ayera yin hume bisi na yegutu ayera. So containers no transformers, electrical cables ni adia. Omo no susu se the reason in tia ye wo dum so no. Ye mfa na emesesa no. Afanyo markets and crop will be seen that they are unable to tell us where these containers are. Yet media assistance are new may assembly. You come and stand on public TV and see, say, NDC for about doom so. When did doom so stop under the MPP? He will run into it. Business were collapsing because dollar no koya to 18 cities. And now I'm not say businessman for the first time in the history of this country, Omu soon say abino and ya ombeboka. Because Omuniomo or Mako Krabano or the 18 cities and a koto neomano. Obedru hey, abain papa nini say papanti. Dollar na ba to 13. The neomano so the 18 a koto. Dollar no so near the price in neomano. It means that there was so neomano boy day. A buffer for boka. In the mobile original so our own finance ministry issues because contract be on the man say on fan your man from brother. There is 16 cities to the dollar. And what they fan your money by a day a bit yanaka in cities and yanaka in dollars. But dollar number 13 cities. In Tinusa, a dollar now koto is a $1 million. Senka a brand or the toy 16 million Ghana cities. And then about 13 million Ghana to a lose over 2 million cities. Hafanyo markets well way. Say and businessmen are crying, say, I buy no more dollar in Yina baby, Gina, and Combina and couldn't make a because CDC bar from the day. Business is the best of fun. Here because I buy the dance, say, Papa Bia Bar. You see the Nanya for the first time. You see the Nanya West performing currency. You know, it's now the best performing currency in the world. A Kosrusa, a Nyapodi. We say Ghana for Hucheromo. Yahuan Chere, a bra and I see the near 18 cedis per dollar. But a year 13 cedis per dollar, and Yahuchere. What kind of logic is that? Until I casa keke, Yafen, I mean, I'm beginning a fan bako, no matter. But Yama Musisi, I can say. And now, Menoka say. Abai is running this country with less than 60 ministers. There were 120. They didn't who were mine. Now, Fanny Markin sits down. He says, "Yeah, Pamoncroft will feel but your unemployment." Aba. Maybe a NADMO coordinator, deputy NADMO coordinator. I'm for any diumpo, my miss, Massa, member, you may be. Because we have a free move. They said, "Yeah, said, no, won't see you be a bonner. Not the old on the actual letter for fair man, but don't be terminating your contract. Near point will be for but yes, I know. A young man, Busam, seven from a letter of termination contract in show.
That time, and now you're deputy national NADMO coordinator. No,
yes.
Oh, my letter be
a dear TMA, me part your TMA, and no court online, I'll become because, and yet, then America. I even made a statement on Adom TV some time back, I think 2019. Oh, baby, I said it. Me call no pa. I waiting for a year handing over. You could draw on Abu Ramadan, not Makunya. So, quite crowd fast or when Yasa for Ura, me office. I didn't know. Yeah, Bono, no, I not good deputy coordinator in charge of operation. Me quite know what Makunya.
Ubia Moa man, yes, eh.
And I may be seen there, me no, because your own family let them find them in America.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Yaba, you need ye mammo. Yes, of course. Into better now. Oba now ye me free hormone because I don't believe in your ideology. See, you see, you be a believe in your ideology, but now obey you.
Okay.
But a need ye, a man there. Some people before my beer. anka ebi anka Ghana yeni baby e wo yo ya ma wo say anidie nu wi a you are sitting down there saying say your maya hunofuna nkrofo ne ade I mean what kind of is that omun ni bibia say the devil find works for the idle hands nti won ni bibia yenti but sorry no kasa but nya kasa bia ne hia o because kasa bi o how can you are only exposing yourself. They don't know what they are talking about. Forget about them. You are not ruling this country because of them. Ni Ghana for nti ye ba si ye be ye no and one ye be and the economy is stable. And then we know kasa sisi people are having their freedom. Neoma that form Abina is doing what he's supposed to do. Inside. And the petro emabom.
Oh, about form.
That's right. And the after your markings, they say a brand near to petro 90 cedis, echo 100 cedis per gallon. Echo and only yet change say now we'll turn about 50 cedis per gallon. Is that what he wants to tell us?
Yeah. Honorable Joseph, I mean, I no pay ma me na wase, ma me na wase. Inti ye hwe ni mu se bia the National Democratic Congress NDC be react officially be to an insema NPP can enre ya na.
Well, yenyanshia as a party to decide. But I mean to one year can catch us ignore them. We see and be on
okay.
You can be no just say my prominence to in some way there. But if there is the need to respond, we will respond. But the actually is a Ghana for are not seeing the difference between NDC and NPP there. And then next say be I arguing say you who no clear away your mind. The Ghana today is better than the Ghana under NPP.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's a baby and so a best as well, Bopunum, Yamin Shrow.
That's me.
Yeah. Honorable Joseph Yamine, the national organizer of NDC, and in Edin Komunoku, me and Comra. Why? Me and Comra. Sports team net, Nancy, and Manchester United. Ye be a ding. Manchester United, ye that 15th. Oh, Premier League in the Manchester United, ye that 15th. No, ya chubi ashen 7. Ya chubi ashen 7. Yeah, no, ye ko Europa finals. Na for the city for any one blue. Europa and the money mopa. Wasem. Also, champion.